There are some things being built right now that are so insane they look straight out of science fiction movies. From underwater cities to self-sustaining smart cities. Here is our list of 10 futuristic megaprojects currently in development. Number 10. Tokyo's Rainbow Bridge. This bridge was opened in 1968, and for decades has been one of the most recognizable symbols of Japan as capital. But this iconic bridge is now set to undergo a huge transformation. In 2023, construction began on an ambitious project to remodel Tokyo's Rainbow Bridge. When it was first opened, it was the world's longest suspension bridge with a main span of 1,595 meters, and the bridge even won a prize for its outstanding design. But since then, many new bridges have overtaken it in terms of length. To revamp the structure, Japanese engineering firm Taisei Corporation will use a new technique called balanced cantilever construction to extend both ends of the bridge. Once complete, the new section will be 1,080 meters long and 22 meters wide, widening the total bridge length to 4,030 meters. The company says that this will make it the world's longest cable-stayed bridge when completed in 2028. No, not in Oceanix Busan. South Korea has unveiled plans for what would be the world's first floating smart city. The project, named Oceanix Busan, is located off the coast of Korea's second biggest city. It's designed to be carbon neutral and fully powered by renewable energy. The city will also feature integrated farming, a desalination plant, a waste management facility, and aquaculture systems to promote sustainable living. According to the developers, the city can accommodate up to 10,000 residents and will have parks, schools, hospitals, shops, and other urban conveniences. Oceanix Busan is designed to be a model for future floating cities around the world. The idea is part of a UN initiative called Oceanix, which aims to build floating communities that can house up to 1 million people. These floating cities will be built using prefabricated modular units that can be easily transported. In addition, they will be eco-friendly and sustainable, generating their own energy and recycling their own water. No. 8. Jeddah Tower. After work was suspended on the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, all eyes are on the Jeddah Tower in Saudi Arabia as the new contender for the title of world's tallest building. When completed, the tower will stand at a staggering 1 kilometer tall, surpassing the current record holder by over 180 meters. Jeddah Tower, formerly known as the Kingdom Tower, is a mixed-use skyscraper that will include residential, commercial, retail, and leisure components. The tower will also feature the highest observation deck in the world. The project broke ground back in 2013, but construction was halted in 2018 due to safety concerns. The Saudi government has since introduced tougher building codes and regulations, and work is now underway to finish the tower. But the whole project has been shrouded in secrecy. Non-Saudis require special permission to enter the site, and media is banned from entering the area. While the original completion date was 2020, it's likely that Jeddah Tower won't be finished until at least 2030. No line. The line is a proposed 170 kilometers long linear city in Saudi Arabia's Tabuk province. The megaproject is part of the country's NEOM development project, an ambitious plan to build a futuristic city from scratch. If built, the line will be the world's longest city and the first of its kind to be built in the desert. Residents will get around by walking, cycling, or using public transport. There will be no cars allowed. Most uniquely, the line will be powered by 100% clean energy and will have no emissions or waste. Water will be desalinated from the Red Sea and recycled for use throughout the city. The line is scheduled to open in 2030, and the first phase of construction is expected to be completed by 2025. No. 6. Hyperloop. Since Elon Musk first unveiled his high-speed transit system in 2013, companies around the world have been racing to develop working Hyperloop technology. In 2020, Virgin Group founder Richard Branson revealed plans for a Hyperloop route in his native United Kingdom. Branson's Virgin Orbit company is partnering with car manufacturer Hyundai to build the country's first Hyperloop line. The 70-kilometer route will connect the West Country town of Bristol to London in just 15 minutes. According to Virgin Orbit, the Hyperloop will be powered by 100% green energy and could carry up to 15 million passengers every year. The company hopes to have the first test pod running by 2023 and to start carrying passengers by 2025. No. 5. Fourth Mainland Bridge. The Fourth Mainland Bridge is a planned road and rail bridge across the Lagos Lagoon in Nigeria. It will connect the Lekki Peninsula to the mainland via the Ikorodu area. At 27 kilometers long, it will be the longest bridge in Africa. Construction began in early 2020 and is expected to be completed in 4 years. The project is being developed by high-tech construction company and will be financed through a combination of public and private funds. Once complete, the bridge will have 4 lanes of traffic and a speed limit of 120 kilometers per hour. No. For Bionic Tower. Designed by renowned architect Norman Foster. The Bionic Tower in Dubai is an innovative mixed-use skyscraper inspired by nature. The project is currently in the planning stages, but if approved, the 444-meter tower will become one of the tallest buildings in the world. Like the Jeddah Tower, the Bionic Tower's design incorporates feedback from the natural world. The exterior of the building mimics the exoskeleton of a beetle, and the tower S shape helps to reduce wind loads. Unlike other skyscrapers, the tower features a central core that houses all of the building's mechanical and electrical equipment, allowing for more flexible floor plates. If built, a bionic tower will have a smaller environmental impact than other skyscrapers, while providing more space for people. No. 3. Telosa. American urban designer and architect Paul Jones announced plans for a new smart city called Telosa. The city will be located in the Utah desert, and will serve as a model for future cities around the world. Telosia's design is based on the principles of permaculture, and the city will be powered by 100% renewable energy. The city will also be highly walkable and bike-friendly, with most errands easily accomplished within a 20-minute walk. Telosa will also feature a circular economy, meaning that all of the city's resources will be reused and recycled. No. 2. Vox City. In 2018, the Chinese government unveiled plans for a new city called Vox City. The city is being built in the desert and will be home to 1 million people. Vox City will feature a number of futuristic amenities, including driverless cars, smart street lighting, and a high-speed rail network. The city's buildings will also be designed to be energy efficient and environmentally friendly. Most notably, however, Vox City will be one of the world's first fully 3D printed cities. 3D printing technology is advancing rapidly, and it's not long before we'll see entire buildings and even cities being printed in a matter of days. No. 1. Mars City. Back in 2021, NASA announced plans for a city on Mars, but don't get too excited just yet. The city isn't going to be built anytime soon. The space agency says that the city will be built using 3D printing technology and will be made from materials found on Mars, such as ice and regolith. The city will also be designed to withstand the planet's harsh environment, including its thin atmosphere and frequent dust storms. One of the biggest challenges facing any human settlement on Mars will be radiation, but the city's designers believe that they have developed a solution that will protect its residents from harmful cosmic rays. So far, NASA has spent billions of dollars exploring Mars and searching for signs of life, but the agency's plans for a Martian city showed that it's also thinking about the future of humanity. If we ever want to become a multiplanetary species, we need to start thinking like scientists and engineers who are designing the first cities on other worlds. Which of these projects do you think looks the coolest? Let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.